Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to paradise with a focus on modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining areas. Perfect for those who love to cook, entertain, and unwind in style, let's explore how you can create the ultimate tropical retreat right in your backyard. Modern tropical design is all about blending sleek, contemporary elements with the vibrant and relaxing vibes of the tropics. It emphasizes natural materials, open spaces, and lush greenery to create a refreshing escape. When designing a modern tropical outdoor kitchen, functionality is key. Opt for an open layout with clearly defined zones for cooking, dining, and lounging. This allows for seamless movement and maximizes the outdoor experience. Use materials that can withstand outdoor conditions while adding natural beauty. Think weather-resistant woods like teak, stone countertops, and stainless steel appliances that pair durability with style. Greenery is the heart of any tropical design. Surround your space with palms, ferns, and potted plants to enhance the natural ambiance. Adding vertical gardens or trellises with climbing plants can take it to the next level. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Combine warm pendant lights over the dining table with soft, ambient lighting around the space. Lanterns or string lights can add a cozy, magical touch to evening gatherings. Choose furniture that balances comfort and elegance. Rattan dining chairs, oversized cushions, and weather-resistant fabrics ensure your space remains both stylish and practical. Consider adding features like a water fountain or a fire pit for extra charm. The sound of flowing water complements the tropical vibe, while a fire pit creates a cozy focal point for cooler nights. Finally, personalize your space with tropical-inspired decor. Bright table settings, patterned throw pillows, and handcrafted wooden accents bring character and make your outdoor area feel uniquely yours. And that's how you can design the perfect modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area. What's your favorite idea? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.